For the last question of this question paper, it's given that a backyard is in the shape of a triangle ABC with right angle at B, with AB 7, BC 15, and a circular pit was dug inside it so that it touches the wall AC, BC, and AB at P, Q, and R respectively, and AP is equal to X. Based on the above information, we have to answer the following question. So I'm going to draw this figure once again. This is a right angle triangle ABC with a circular pit in the center. Okay, so and if I label this is A, B, and this right angle at B, so this is 90-degree, this is C. Okay, then there is a circular pit in the center. So let's say this is a circular pit which touches the circle or the sides of the triangle at P, Q, and R. Now the length of AB is 7 meter and BC is 15 meter and the radius is R. It's given that AB is equal to X. So AP is X. AB is X. And we have to find uh, the length of AR in terms of X. And AP is equal to AR because so AR is also equal to X because these are the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle and length of the tangents drawn from external point to a circle are equal. So length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So that means AP AR is also X. So this is X. Okay. We have got the length of the AR in terms of X. Write the type of quadrilateral BQOR. So let's get this quadrilateral. This is BQ and OR. This is O. Okay, in this case, angle R and angle Q are 90-degree. So angle R is equal to angle Q is equal to 90-degree. Angle B is equal to 90-degree because it's given. And R and Q are 90-degree because the radius is perpendicular. So these are the radius, OR and OQ are the radius. And we know that radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So these three angles are 90-degree, and if we use the angle sum properties, so this implies angle O is equal to 360 minus 270, sum of the other three angles, which is equal to 90-degree. So angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to angle O is equal to R, 90-degree. So this is either the rectangle or the square, and also OR is equal to OQ. And these are the radii of the same circle. So OR is equal to OQ. So that means these are the adjacent sides. So that means quadrilateral ORBQ is a square. Now, if all the angles are 90 degrees, so it could be a square of a rectangle, and in the rectangle, opposite sides are equal. But in the square, the adjacent sides are equal. So if the adjacent sides are equal and all the angles are 90 degrees, so this is a square. So ORBQ is a square. So this is R. So ORBQ, quadrilateral ORBQ, is a square, and we have to find the length BC in terms of X. So BC in terms of X, we have to write the BC in terms of X. Okay. First of all, let's BR in terms of X. So BR is equal to 7 minus X because AB is 7 and AR is X. So BR is 7 minus x. Now BR is equal to BQ because these are the sides of the square. So that means BQ is 7 minus x. So this is also 7 minus x. Now QC is equal to 15 minus 7 minus x. So this is 15 minus 7 plus x, which is equal to 8 plus x. So QC is 8 plus x, and PC is also 8 plus x because these are the tangents drawn from external side to its external point to a circle. So QC is equal to PC is equal to 8 plus x. The reason being these are the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle, and length of the tangent drawn from external point to a circle are equal. Okay, so we have got PC in terms of x and we have to find the value of x. Now to get the value of x, let's use the Pythagoras theorem in this right angle triangle. So in triangle, this is the right angle triangle ABC. We are going to use the Pythagoras theorem. X square is equal to b square plus b square. So hypotenuse is AC square, perpendicular is AB square, base is BC square. Now AC, I can write it as x plus 8 plus x, the whole square. AB square, AB is 7 square, BC is 15 square. So x plus x is 2x plus 8 to the whole square. 7 square is 49. 15 square is 2 to 5. So 9, 5, 14. 4 to 6 and 7. This is 274. So 2x plus 8 the whole square is equal to 274. And 2x plus 8 is equal to under root 274. And under root 274 is the square root of 274. 274 square root is 16.55. Okay, this is 16.55, and 2x is equal to 16.55 minus 8. So 16.55 minus 8 gives us 8.55. So this is 8.55, and x is equal to 8.55 divided by 2, which is equal to 4.2 and 7. This is 4.2. This is 4, 2, 7, and 5, and I can write it as 4.28. Connect the two decimal places, so x is 4.28. So we have got the value of x and bc in terms of x, or we have to find the value of x and then find the value of the circle R. So we can get the value of the x. So this is also for the or part. And now we have to find the value of the radius. So radius is equal to 7 minus x because BQ this, and these are all the same sides of the triangle. So R is equal to 7 minus x, and 7 minus 4.28 should give us the radius of the circle. So 7 minus 4.8 is 2, 7, and 2. This is 2.72 meter approximately, the radius of the circle. Thank you for watching.